Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. Here we have a table of values. In the first row, we have a dog age D, and in the second row, we have human age H. The chart above shows equivalent ages for dogs and humans. Human age is directly proportional to dog age. What is the value of A positive B? Okay, so to get the value of this expression A positive B, we have to find the values of the constant A in the table over here and B over here. Once we get the values of the constants A and B, we can add them and we can get the value of the expression A positive B. Okay, for that we can consider the information we have over here. That is, human age is directly proportional to dog age. So whenever two quantities are in a direct proportion, we know that there is an equation which connects the two variables. So here human age is directly proportional to dog age. So human age is given by capital H equals to K times a dog age given by D. So this K is a constant of proportionality. Since the human age is directly proportional to dog age, we write this equation. In case human age is inversely proportional to dog age, then the equation will be H equals to K over D. But this is not required for this problem because this is for inverse proportion. But in the given question, there is an information that is human age and dog age are in direct proportion. So this is the equation which represents the direct proportion relationship. Okay, so now first work is to find the value of this constant of proportionality K using one of the pairs of values in the table over here. Okay, now let me consider this particular pair from the table. So in this particular pair, the value of D is 2, the value of H is 10. So that is, we can plug in 10 for H over here and 2 for D over here in this equation to get the value of the constant of proportionality K. So now let me plug in. So 10 equals to K times 2. Okay, now to solve for K, I have to get rid of this 2. For that, I have to divide both sides by 2. Then this 2 will cancel out. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then I'm getting 5 equals to K. Okay, now I got the value of the constant of proportionality, that is 5. Now let me plug in K equals to 5 in this equation over here. Then I'm getting H equals to 5 times D. Okay, now to get the values of the constants A and B in the table, so let me consider this particular pair. In this pair, what is the value of H? That is A. What is the value of D? That is 0. So we can plug in this A for H over here and 0 for D over here. When I do so, A equals to 5 times 0. Then I'm getting A equals to 5 times 0 is 0. Okay, now I got the value of A, that is 0. Okay, now to get the value of B, what we have to do is we have to plug in this particular pair into the equation. So that is, B is the value of H and 15 is the value of D. So we can plug in this B for H over here and 15 for D over here. Then I'm getting, so B equals to 5 times 15, then B equals to 5 times 15 is 75. Now I got the value of the constant B. Okay, now I got the values of both the constants A and B. Now my aim is to get the value of A positive B. So for A, already we know that it's 0. We can plug in 0 for A over here. And for B, we got the value 75. We can plug in 75 for B over here. Then A positive B equals to 75. I got the value of A positive B, that is 75. We find 75 in answer choice B. So the correct answer choice for this question is B, 75.